Today I'm going to show you how to clean a dishwasher. Cleaning your dishwasher is actually pretty simple and makes a big difference in smell, performance, and lifespan. Let's get started. Step 1. Empty the dishwasher. Make sure it's completely empty before cleaning. Pull out the racks so you can access the bottom and sides. Step 2. Clean the filter. Most modern dishwashers, especially Bosch, Whirlpool, Samsung, and GE, have removable filter at the bottom. You'll twist and lift it out. Then you'll rinse it under warm water with dish soap. Scrub off gunk with a soft brush or old toothbrush. If it's greasy, soak it in hot soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes. The next step, you'll want to check and clear the spray arms. Remove the spray arms if they are detachable. Use a toothpick or a paper clip to unclog any holes blocked with food particles. After that, you'll rinse it under running water. Step 4. Run a vinegar wash. Place dishwasher-safe cup or bowl filled with white vinegar at the top rack. Run a hot water cycle with no detergent in it and with the machine still empty. The vinegar breaks down the grease, soap scum, and odors. Step 5. Run a baking soda rinse. After the vinegar cycle, sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda across the bottom. Run a short hot cycle. This will freshen and brighten the interior. Step 6. Wipe down seals and exterior. Using a damp cloth or sponge with warm soapy water to wipe. You're going to wipe the door gasket, that's the rubber seal around the edges, and the control panel, as well as the handle and the outside surfaces. Avoid harsh chemicals on stainless steel. Use vinegar or a stainless steel cleaner instead. Optional deep clean. If your dishwasher smells bad often, check the drain area at the bottom for trapped food. Use a cloth and hot soapy water to scrub the inside walls and racks. Some people run a commercial dishwasher cleaner like Affresh or Finish every 1 to 2 months. You should clean the filter monthly and run a vinegar or dishwasher cleaner cycle every 1 to 2 months to keep things fresh.